Hey there, history buffs. Welcome back to our Today in History series. Today, we're diving into the events that took place on July 8th throughout history. On this day in 776, the Continental Congress approved the Declaration of Independence, marking the United States' independence from Britain. In 1893, the first all-electric streetcar was introduced in New York City. And in 1945, the first nuclear-powered submarine, the USS Nautilus, was launched. In sports, on July 8, 1981, the first Major League Baseball game to be played at night took place. And in 2010, the World Cup in South Africa saw Spain defeat the Netherlands 1-0, claiming their first World Cup title. That's it for today's history lesson, folks. Thank you for joining us. Don't forget to follow and subscribe for more fascinating historical tidbits. Until next time, keep exploring the past.
Okay, let's go.